Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Agaste Bejalil. I'm usually called Eza, and I am from class 10F. I'm here to complete my English assessment from Mr. Ruli for the second semester. In this assessment, Mr. Ruli asks us choose between a fairy tale or a legend. And I chose a legend because, as my father liked to say, legends are very meaningful. I chose a story that Legend of Gatot Kaca. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Prigadani, a baby was born who would become a greatest legend of Java. His name was Jabang Tetuka, but his birth brought chaos. No Chris, no sword or divine arrow could cut his umbilical cord. His body was as hard as a steel, as if nature had prepared him for something monumental. At that time, the heavens were in turmoil. A cruel giant king, Kalaprachona, invaded the abode of the gods. The god knew only one creature could stop him, the extraordinary infant Tetuka. The god took him to the peak of Mount Jamurdipa and threw him into the Chandradimukha crater, a boiling pit of molten fire. Instead of freezing, the god threw divine weapons into the crater. This weapon melted and fused with the infant blood and flesh. When he emerged, he was no longer a helpless baby. He transformed into a powerful warrior wearing the golden vest, Kutang Atakusuma. From then on, he was known as Gatot Kaca. He was gifted with impossible power. He could fly through the clouds without wings, and his body was nicknamed Wire Muscle Iron Bones. He became the ultimate protector of the Pandavas in the Great War of Bharatayuddha. He fell heroically when a divine arrow pierced his heart. He used his final strength to dive from the sky like a falling star, crashing into enemy force and sacrificing himself to ensure victory of his family. He died a hero, a name forever, as a symbol of ultimate bravery. And now I'm gonna read Fractured Story of Gatot Kaca. Once upon a time in high-tech metropolis of Ringadani, a baby was born with a unique genetic anomaly. His name was Jabang Tetuka. His birth brought absolute mystery to the medical world. His DNA was so resilient that the sharpest medical laser and surgical steel could even scratch his skin. It was as if nature itself had forged him a monumental destiny. Years later, the world faced an apocalypse. A rogue mechanical warlord, Kalaprachona, launched a massive cyber attack, shutting down the global defense network. In desperation, the world's top scientists initiated a radical experiment. They brought Tentuka to the lab Chandrimukha lab, a cold fusion reactor inside the blinding heat. They inject his body with advanced nanobionic technology made from the rarest cosmic metal. The cyber metal fused perfectly with his cell. When he emerged from the reactor, he was no longer an ordinary human. He transformed into a cybernetic warrior clad in a steel golden fight suit called Kutang Atakusuma. From then on, he was known as Gatot Kaca. He was gifted with impossible cyber power. He could fly at supersonic speed without wings, and he was nicknamed Wire Muscle Iron Bone. He became the ultimate guardian of the sky, protecting the city with his plasma-infused gauntlet. But during the final apocalyptic war, the enemy launched an unstoppable nuclear missile targeted at the city core. Knowing it would wipe out millions, Gatot intercepted the missile high in the stratosphere. The blade of the missile pierced his mechanical chest, using his last spark of power. Gatot didn't just fall, he dove from the edge of space like a crashing star, slamming directly into the enemy main base. He sacrificed his life to save humanity, leaving behind a name forever as ultimate symbol of techno bravery. My opinion about legend story of Gatot Kaca. Gatot Kaca is not just a myth about a flying superhero with muscle of iron and bone of steel, but a profound symbol of ultimate loyalty and sacrifice for one country. Through his tragic yet honorable destiny in Bharatayuda War, we are taught that true heroism is not just about possessing immense physical power, but about the willingness to fulfill one duty and protect others even at cost of own life. That is the story of Gatot Kaca. I would like to share from this legend. We can learn an important lesson. We must be brave, rewrite our own destiny, and always protect the people we love. This concludes the English assessment that I have to prepare. Thank you for watching the video.